This is one example cabinets in Leon Johnson wiring. You can see the ground lug. This one has no common ground from the building. Taking that green wire off, it's actually wired in correctly to the wiring schematic noted on the cabinet heater. This though, right here, is not wired according to the cabinet. I'm not doing anything except for taking that green ground wire off. You can see it coming into this wire nut right here. This is a second example, still in Leon. You can see the ground lug with the main building grounding, the green grounding wire to the cabinet and its controls, but again miswired from that relay to the control ground. No ground to that control. That's the second example. Again, I am checking the valves, but I'm not doing anything to the valves. Afraid of programming issues. I'm just taking the cabling, the grounding wire off of the control line and leaving the main building ground to the cabinet.